Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your HUAWEI MediaPad T3, let's go for the settings. Then scroll down to enter advanced settings, click on the language and input, go for the virtual keyboard, select your keyboard. I will go for the Google, then tap on the theme. And as you can see here, we can change the theme, so I will pick this one. And right now we can try how it works. You can also set here the key border if you want. So right now we can go back to the messages, or maybe for the notepad, the place where we can try to use our keyboard. Okay, and as you can see, it doesn't change because this is the SwiftKey keyboard. So we have to click right here and then change it for the Google. And right now the theme has changed because we set up the Google keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.